So I hope everyone is okay. Today we're gonna make a vlog mostly in English because there's loads of complaints. We are making pilau rice, chicken curry, and my special Chapli kebab. This is 1 kg lamb shoulder. I usually make in lamb leg pilau, but Somaya say no, I like the lamb shoulder one. So the 1 kg lamb shoulder with about it's 1 kg lamb shoulder, so about 2 kg water. I'm putting all the garam masala, the leaves, the flour, 2 flowers, also big brown cardamom, cinnamon stick, a little bit pepper. That's all is in my yakhni. Sorry, I'm gonna put that first. Okay, so after that, I was just like a 3/4 tablespoon garlic and couple of pieces of ginger. This is my yakhni, okay? Just 1 spoon crushed chili, a little bit salt, according to your taste. That's all. Keep it like to make until the meat get a little bit cooked. And on the side, I'm gonna make my Chapli kebab masala ready. So this is 1 kg wash dry lamb minced meat, and I'm using 5 in 1 kg minced meat. I'm using 5 this size of onion. Okay, and I'm using 1 tablespoon garlic. Chili is up to you. If you people like us want to use chili, use it, otherwise, but make sure just crushed chili. Ooh, and we like chili, so I put chili.
We love chili.
This is my mixed masala, which I mix it. I explain in Malai video, my videos, that how many things I mix in this masala. That's my mixed masala. Black pepper.
What is that one?
This is only garam masala and coriander mix.
Yeah.
And just a pinch of garam masala. Salt according to your taste. And chili flakes. My life is not good without chili flakes, okay? But loads of people say that I'm using too much chili because we're eating too much chili. If you people don't want to eat too much chili, please don't eat it. Then about half a tablespoon jeera, cumin seed, and the most important thing is, where is my dhania powder? Where's my dhania powder gone? And so I was looking for a bottle, and Mr. Khan emptied it and put all the masala here. God knows why we need that bottle. So this is coriander. Coriander is very dry coriander. It's very important. Put 2 tablespoons.
Are you whisking it?
I always put a little bit mixed herb. So just little bit mixed herb.
That's a lot.
2 egg. 2 egg.
2 egg.
And about
a handful of tomatoes.
Well, I know this is about 3 tomatoes.
Okay. Wow.
Yeah.
Expert, ain't you?
Yeah, about 3 tomatoes. And now I'm gonna put corn flour in it. Corn flour.
Wow.
Yeah.
Never heard of that. Hi. Maya.
Sorry, I say corn flour, but no corn flour, cornmeal flour, okay? It's like jawar atta, it's called makai atta, jawar atta, whatever. It's optional. You can use this flour or you can use just a normal chapati flour. I'm using about half a cup. That's it, okay?
You know your measurements, don't you?
Yeah, I know my measurement. Just sometimes you need a little bit more, so then don't get panic. Use a little bit more. It's no end of the world.
Yeah, it's not the end of the
Okay?
world.
And now, oh sorry, bunch of
She forgot something. She
bunch
forgot
of
something.
coriander.
Right.
Coriander again is very, very important in this recipe.
I love
And if you
coriander.
people go spring onion, put spring onion as well. But I run out with spring onion.
Work it, Mama. Work it. That's
Yeah.
it. That's it. Good girl.
Okay, so it's optional, but you can put
Pomegranate. Mama.
pomegranate
Good girl.
powder as well, which can give you a little bit sour kind of taste as well.
Yummy.
So I'm gonna put that right to the end, okay? But first, I'll mix it until it's quite sticky, a kind of a mixture. It's become quite sticky.
Right.
Until then, I'm gonna mix
Like
it.
stodgy.
Yeah. Okay, so you put the phone down and mix that because I go one.
Oh, right. I gotta do the hard job.
So now I'm starting. So my yakhni is cooking. My kebab is getting ready. Kebab mixture is getting ready. All my recipe, my ingredients is ready. And now I make another pan to make my. It's not chicken kadai, but it is kind of chicken. So about 3 spoons oil, and I'm gonna place 2 baby chicken. 2 baby chicken. And just cook it for 5 minutes. But make sure keep stir it. This stage, when it's like after 5 minutes, sorry, after 1-2 minutes, just put a spoonful garlic. And a chili flakes. Sorry, no chili flakes. What I'm saying today, a crushed chili, green crushed chili, just like about 1 or 2. But it's all up to you. If you people don't want to eat chili, please don't use it. We love chili, that's why we're using it. And keep the top on. Keep it for a good 10 minutes. In half an hour, my pilau yakhni is ready. I'm using Tilda basmati, and it's up to you, whatever basmati you use. Just about 15 minutes ago, I soaked my rice in hot water. My chicken is cooking. My special, it's not chicken kadai, but the way I cook, I will name it after. Or you people can suggest a name for this recipe. I don't know the name, but my mom used to cook this kind of chicken. And my chicken is cooking. This is my.
30 minutes.
Say you said I'm tired. So what is it?
The mix.
Say loudly.
The Chapli kebab mix
Is ready.
is ready. Just put it in the fridge for 30 minutes.
Now my yakhni is ready, and I'm getting ready my masala for the pulao. Okay? No on my face. So about 1 cup oil. Make sure you cut onion like that. is called lachadar onion.
Lachadar, yeah?
Cut it exactly, really nicely thin onion. And I'm using for 3 cup rice, 1 kg meat. I'm using 4 small size onion.
Right. Should I cut it?
No, I cut it on. I keep checking my chicken. I think I named this chicken yogurt chicken.
White chicken.
No, white chicken I already did. That's totally different. So this chicken recipe is yogurt chicken. Okay.
You could name it a fake chicken.
Yogurt chicken. Yogurt chicken.
Oh, I know. Malai chicken.
Yeah, give me Malai chicken because I'm using cream as well.
Ah,
So Malai
Malai
chicken. Okay.
I'm an expert at cooking, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. My chicken is. That's the way I cook always, guys. So I cook my yakhni, my kebab mix is done, my chicken is cooking, my rice masala is getting ready. I always cook like that. So I make like in 1 hour
She multitasker, you know?
about 5-6 dishes, mashallah.
Mashallah.
Now I'm gonna cut my mango until this is cooking. My mango, inshallah. If it's time, I'll teach you my mango achar as well. So let's do it. So my onion is still, it's supposed to be dark brown. It's not. My chicken is like, cooking nicely. And I'm gonna still wait until it's sizzling. So once it's sizzling, then I'm gonna put my yogurt and my cream on top. And then gonna start cooking. So let it cook. Oh yeah. It's like my daughter, my YouTube family, the name I have to mention, Afshin Ghani. I remember, I think it's Afshin Ghani. She sent me such a beautiful messages, long messages, and trust me, whenever I read that message, tears come in my eyes that someone in this world loves me that much, and I feel so proud and I'm top of the moon. May Allah bless you, Afshin Ghani. May Allah give you such a good, healthy life and the best life here and the hereafter. Ameen, ameen, ameen. Love you. Another person, Abdullah Khan. I don't know that this is a male or a female, but he or she always message me so beautiful comments, beautiful texts, loads of dua they're sending me. There is 1,000 I can name it who send me on Instagram, Snapchat. As you know, I'm free nowadays and I'm using all the social media. Maybe when I go back to my work, my businesses, maybe I'm not that active. But until then, you can see my face on everything. Even I start TikTok. So my TikTok is Divine Khan. If you people want to follow me on TikTok as well, Divine Khan, and I'm just making push the video over there, which is quite nice. In 8 days, I go about nearly 1,000 followers, which is good. Each video is about 10,000, 15,000 likes, which I like it. Anyway, so special thanks to Afshin Ghani. Special thanks to Abdullah Khan, and there is special thanks to all my kids who call me Mama on YouTube, on Instagram. Thank you so much, Jazakallah, and I'm blessed to have you people. Honestly, love you all. Okay, so now my onion, you can see if it's really golden brown. I love zira in things, so I put about 1 tablespoon zira. On top of that, I just use garam masala, nothing but garam masala in my pulao. So top of that, I put in 3 cup rice, 1 kg meat. I put about 2 and 1/4 spoon garam masala. That's all I use for thing, because my yakhni go all the masalas as well. I'm not using anything else but this. And now top of that, I'll use just from my yakhni, I'm using just meat. Well, I'm making so many type of pilau rice. This is one of the pilau rice I make. But you know, I can make about 6-7 type of pilau rice. So each time I make pilau rice is different. But the only thing is similar is making yakhni. The rest is, sometimes I put yogurt in pilau rice. Sometimes I put vegetable in pilau rice. So there is so many way I make pilau rice, and all of them I learned from my mommy. Now keep this meat at least for 6-7 minutes under the lid. Yeah, my chicken is about 3/4 done. Now I will add my rest of. So first I'm gonna add a little bit black pepper, and then I'm gonna add a little bit cream and yogurt. So first 1 teaspoon black pepper. I just use a little bit more. Yeah. Okay, and so this is 1 pot. I'm gonna use half of this pot. It's 500 gram, so I'll use 250 gram yogurt in 2 baby chicken. Just use a little bit cream as well. Call double cream, but it's up to you what cream you use. But I'm only using, this is again 300 ml, but I'm using about 100 ml. I love cream, that's why I'm fat. I love cream. You show me fully today because I'm wearing sensible clothes, now my pajamas. Okay. Stir it fully. Try your salt. I can't use this hand. Yeah. Oh, it's amazing. Even now, it is amazing. So again, I'm gonna put the for another 10 minutes. My meat is ready. No, my meat. Lamb meat is ready. Okay. So when your meat is quite nice browny, now you pour. I got 3 cup rice, so I'm gonna pour 5 cup. 5 cup what? 5 cup water. I'll measure first my yakhni without any masala. Make sure the masala didn't go. So 1, 2. This is my yakhni.
What are you doing?
3.
The fourth one is coming, okay?
Yeah. But make sure don't put the masala you add to the yakhni. So all the masala is left. 4. And now the 5th one. So I have got enough yakhni. So I'm gonna pour
water.
This is 5 cup.
Cover it until it boils.
Then we're gonna add our rice.
Then rice.
Now my yakhni is boil again, and I'm gonna add my 3 cup rice, which was wet for last 20 minutes. It's hard to translate from Pashto to English, and then I use exactly the word we're using in English.
Lund.
Like we say lamde ka rice.
Lamde
So I say
ka.
wet the rice, so, but no soak the rice.
So
okay?
she wetted it, okay.
So, and in that stage, I think my salt is a little bit less. So I put a little bit of
Wow,
salt.
that's a lot of salt.
Yeah, but I know.
You know, is it?
Yeah, I know.
You're an expert in it.
Yeah. And look at that. Look at that. Oh my god. Yeah. Shall I try again?
Ya khuda ya
I
paka.
really don't understand.
Mama, the malga did Badan ki the malga did There's too much malga in your body.
It's good. It's good.
Malga meaning salt.
Yeah. Malga, malga,
Malga, malga, malga, malga.
Oh god. Oh yeah. I'm going again for 28th of February for another operation. Please keep me in your dua that I recover quickly. I don't want to be in bed anymore. Really fed up. So please keep me in your dua. Now my rice is cooking. My chicken is nearly done. You can see it's nice. The cream and the yogurt. Oh, yummy, yum. Check the salt. The salt is good.
Is your salt okay, Mama? Are you sure? You want to add more to it?
I add half a teaspoon chili flakes before. Now half a teaspoon. Now couple of ginger and a little bit coriander and just about only 2 tomatoes. Okay, only 2 tomatoes.
Only.
Yeah, only 2 tomatoes. Stir it really well again. In this chicken, no masala at all. Just black pepper and chili flakes. Bas. Khalas habibi, khalas.
Khalas.
Yeah, khalas habibi.
Habibi.
So just a little chili flakes, that's all. About half a teaspoon. That's Somaya's husband. Somaya's husband.
Hello?
Hello Sadhu, love you. Now I add my mushroom. Sumaya, show the mushroom size please. Only 4 mushroom. And 2 big sizes of potato. I add, but cut it like a chip style.
Like wedges.
Like wedges, yeah, sorry. Yeah. Only 2 potato, but big size potato. And honestly, this recipe is one of my best recipes.
It's mine too.
Yeah, my children love it as well. Well, actually, my cousin in Pakistan, they love it too. I made it. They're my best friend too. Live in Mardan, and they love this recipe of mine as well.
Ooh, look at that.
Can you see? Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha.
Ha ha
Ha ha ha. So just cooked it for another 10 minutes.
Do that again.
So until the potato come cooked. What I say? So cooked it for another 10 minutes until the potato gets soft. That's it. That's it. So after 10 minutes, I open my lid from the thing, from rice handi. My rice is like on that stage now, like only quarter of water left. Now I'm gonna give dum. Dum means then I'm gonna put it on very slow heat. Very, very slow heat. Until this cook, until my chicken cook, I'm gonna make my special chutney. So I'll pour about 2-3 cloves of thing.
garlic.
Garlic. تو أنا كنا سمية ستريشن.
Molly, but she خبرك تلاقي ما.
Yeah.
I thought you don't get tired of talking.
I get tired today. I don't know.
You're tired today, yeah? It's because you're talking too much, that's why.
So about 4 spoon.
4 spoons of green chili, grind it,
Yeah.
and add 1 teaspoon garlic.
Yeah. 1 teaspoon garlic.
Teaspoon garlic. Chopped onion.
3 small
3
onion.
small onion.
That's my special chutney, which you will love it, guys.
Which you will love it, guys. Okay.
Yeah.
You will love it. You're gonna eat your hands with it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. And
a bunch of coriander.
bunch of
A
coriander.
cup of coriander.
Yeah, about a cup. Yeah. A bit more.
A bit.
A bit more.
1.5 cup.
Yeah.
1.25 cup.
Yeah.
Mama, you're saying yeah too much.
Yeah. When I'm tired, honestly, today I'm so tired. Like I got proper black bags in my life. I have no black bags. First time I'm having bad black bags. My eyes, and I'm so pale.
Oh.
I'm so pale. Yeah. Wait.
Wrong button.
चटनी तैयार हो रही है अल्लाह के फजल से So it's not done yet. Wait.
You need to add a bit of oil in it.
No water. Don't
water,
listen.
okay? Don't
listen this. Na ehel chef.
What is not everything?
Unexperienced.
I thought you said you love my food.
I love your food, but no.
So why did you call
As
me
much as
unexperienced?
No, as much as my own food.
Oh, now those.
Okay,
now
that's done.
now
I'm gonna.
now everything's coming out. Okay.
Yeah. I'll put 4 tomatoes. 4 tomatoes.
Mama,
in.
it's not gonna work. You stuffing it like that.
Don't worry. If it's not working, we can make it work.
What is that supposed to mean? It's your machine.
It's okay. I'll make it work.
You're a genius.
Now I'm gonna put a little bit more.
Mama,
Yeah.
what are you doing?
I always make it this way, Bacha.
Yeah.
Okay, and a little bit salt
Quite
now.
worried.
Okay? A little bit salt.
Oh wow, a little bit, okay. That was a little bit, okay? That was a little
Oh, Sammy loves this.
Oh, there you go. Grinded it.
That's my chutney. You want to
Voila.
try?
Voila.
Oh,
Voila.
That's
lovely.
amazing. Honestly, this is amazing. Sometimes I just add a little bit tomato sauce, and that's even more amazing. So
Wow.
it's optional. You can add a tomato sauce or you don't.
Oh, you don't.
That's
Okay.
my chutney ready.
Okay. Ready. Hiya.
So my rice is on dum in oven on low heat. So it's on dum. My creamy chicken is ready.
Oh.
Malai chicken is ready. And my chutney is ready, which is that. And now I'm making my kebab. But this is very important that you keep a glass of water. So give me some, so about that much, the chapli kebab, that much. I use my hand size really hard, honestly, to work with this hand. I wish this hand get better.
Inshallah.
Make it really thin.
Thin like a pancake.
Not that thin.
Thin like a cake.
Not that thin.
Thin like a...
Thin like that. Okay? And always make
Thin like your face.
Your hand size. That's the chapli kebab.
Okay.
My mom teach me always use your hand. So if you go small hand, your kebab will be small. If you go large hand, your kebab will be large. Don't put it in too high oil, otherwise it's gonna cook from outside.
No,
and
from inside.
No, from inside.
This looks very delicious. Delicious.
What?
Delicious.
Put it on your face. Put it on your face and then say.
Huh?
Yeah, put
I
it
don't
on
know
your
how
face.
to do it. I can't. They look very delicious.
It look very delicious. It look very delicious. So there is a couple of words which I can't pronounce, like
Volvo.
Volvo, van,
Van, yeah.
van,
But what's the aubergine though?
aubergine,
You what did you say yesterday the other day? Aubergine.
aubergine. There's a couple of words in Pashto, there is a couple of words which I can't pronounce. One is,
No,
you know
what's
the
that
sugar
shoe?
cane one? Huh?
What's that shoe shop?
Which
In
shoe?
St. David, the Polish one. Polish one or the other one?
Which one?
The green banner one.
Huh?
The green banner one.
The green banner.
Yeah.
I don't know.
It's next to New Look.
Oh!
Yeah.
No, I'm not gonna
Say it!
No.
Say it!
No,
Don't be funny. Say it now!
No.
Mama.
No. I don't want to make myself embarrassed, man.
Come
Oh,
on.
very good.
Funny, they money.
When I say gandere, I say dangere. So when I talk in sentence, instead of I say gandere, I say dangere. I say masosa. That's samosa. I used to say loads of wrong words because I was so spoiled by my father, and I used to talk like baby. Well, I'm still like that, talking like baby.
I went to the flannel. Remember when we went to flannel?
Flannel.
That's the thing.
You are?
The China bag they had and all that.
Yeah.
I called what is it? What you call the other one? The French one.
The French. There's loads of names. I can't pronounce. Can't pronounce.
Louis one?
No. I'm not gonna say no. I don't want to be embarrassed. She wants me to be embarrassed? Nah, I don't want to be
There's one
embarrassed.
called Balenciaga or something, and I
Oh
call
my
it
God.
Balenciaga.
Balenciaga. There's oh God. I'm gonna tell you a story. So when we were in Peshawar, my older brother, Shanur, his name is, he used to take us to the ice cream shop in Sadar, and I used to like chocolate. It's called chocolate, like a chocolatey ice cream. That was like, I'm talking about 30 years ago. So one of my brother's fiancée was with us as well, and she was quite qualified and everything, but I don't know. So my brother asked me, okay, Sabo, what do you want? And I say chocolate, and then my brother asked her, she's my Barbie now. My brother asked her, okay, Zinat, what do you want? She said, Jabbar.
Jabbar?
I don't know, she was like, I was a kid. She was much older than me. And she was like, that time she was very qualified person, very
Jabbar.
modern person. Don't know why she said Jabbar. And since then, my brother used to call her Jabbar. I don't know if he still remember. But he used to call her Jabbar. He make her embarrassed all the time. So can you see my beautiful kebab? And this karai especially I'm using for my chapli kebab. I bought it long time ago. God knows from David Morgan or somewhere from Howells or Devin Morgan. It's like,
It looks like the proper Rambele style.
yeah, it's lambe. It's proper.
But
If
smaller
I say
version.
it's more than 30-year-old, I'm not wrong.
Oh.
But you know, that time I pay, I think, £40 for that, and it's so good. So if you buy cheap things, don't expect it's gonna last
Yeah.
long. So good to be true. If they say cheap thing,
No.
I just don't
Why?
believe.
You get what you pay for, innit?
Cheap things are like disposable.
But the mama no nahi. Like no room for
زي
more.
بكي بيامزة يوم زي ماما يما.
She said she's gonna do it.
I'm gonna fix it. Well, I'm rushing now because it's Maghrib time, inshallah.
Yeah, it's Maghrib time. We need to
And
go to
after
prayer,
Maghrib
prayer.
time is like, it's not that I want to show off, but I'm telling you that maybe when a few follow me, and inshallah, when you follow me and read this surah, maybe I got reward as well. Because of me, maybe you pray that way. So after Maghrib, I read 2 rakat nafil for my, for all the deceased people. And then I always read a couple of surah and 100 times, I'll tell you which surah, and 100 times Darood Ibrahimi, which is Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin kama sallaita ala Ibrahima wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidun Majid. And also I read 100 times Astaghfar and 100 times Subhana Rabbika La ilaha illa anta subhanaka inni kuntu minaz zalimin. And then 100 times Ya Hayyu Ya Qayyum bi rahmatika astaghiithu. So this is my routine, which I don't want to mess up. Like in the morning I always read Surah Yasin, Surah Muzammil and Surah Rahman, and the last 10 surah, small 10 surah from Alam Tara Kaifa to Qul A'udhu bi Rabbin Nas. And today I was so tired, so I didn't read it after Fajr because I wake up for Tahajjud and then I go to sleep after Fajr. So I was so tired and I say, Allah ji, I can't read it, I go to sleep. And then I always make sure that I repent that. So I catch up. Somaya was taking me out and I say, let me take my iPad so I can read my Quran on the way to Siddiq house.
No, I can't.
So it's good to make a routine. And after Isha, I'm always reading Surah Waqia and Surah Mulk. Surah Mulk, as far as I know, my mom told me that it's good for the barzakh. And Surah Waqia, as far as I know, I don't know how much is right or no, but my mom told me it's good to have a successful life. Okay? So I'm reading all these things, and in the morning I always read Surah Yasin, Surah Muzammil, Surah Rahman, and last year 10 Surah. So I believe that whoever read these Surah in the morning, they will pass really good, and Allah will bless that day. Allah will bless them, and that blessed day, they will have a blessed day. Always when you go to bed, read
What's
Astaghfar.
going on there?
Who is there?
Ayla.
Is Shayla here? Okay. So, shall we ready our stuff tomorrow?
Please. Oh my god. Oh.
Into the bottom and that's it.
Oh.
That's good. Siddiq and Dina not arrived yet. Otherwise, they just stand by me.
Oh my god.
Beautiful.
Sumo.
Okay. Yeah.
I'm gonna read book.
So, maghrib ka biara zakha.
No, reading. Come on,
Okay, it's a market. So my rest of the kebab is cooking, but I show you what I cooked today. So this is my special chutney, which I already show you. This is my kebab. It's gonna be full in a minute. That's my Malai chicken. This is my pilau rice. And now Somaya gonna go to read namaz first, and I'm doing the rest of the kebab. And after that, you just watch me. I'm making the kebab, and Somaya will join us. So that's it. It's nearly done. My kebab, really done. G. Sorry. Look what she done. She said in Pashto, look, it's a maggot in the bottle, and I was looking to the bottle and she just spill it on my face. Such a naughty girl. These children are honestly, they just treat me like their friend, no their mother. Oh my god, I'm proper wet. Oh, I need to rush now. I was saying that I'm late for the namaz, and as soon as she comes, I'm going to pray my maghrib, and now she make me wet. So, okay guys, she make me wet now. I can't stand now, it's so cold. So I'm going to pray. You can see all my kebabs are ready. This is all wet, my clothes are all wet, and I'm getting late for my maghrib namaz. So guys, I hope you enjoy my recipe, and you can try this recipe. Please comment that you like my recipe. I'm cold because this stupid girl, she put cold water on me. See you inshallah till next vlog. Allah Hafiz, and keep me in your dua that my operation goes successful. Bye. Allah Hafiz.